In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact forms in Durable AI. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can start collecting messages from your visitors right away. First, open your browser and go to durable.co. Log into your Durable account, and from your dashboard, choose the website you want to edit. If you manage multiple sites, double check that you're opening the correct one so your changes go to the right place. Next, open the website editor. On the dashboard, click Edit Website. This launches the Durable Website Builder where you can see your pages and sections. Give it a second to load, and make sure you're on the page where you want the form to appear. Now let's add the contact form. In the top menu, click the Add button, the one with the plus icon. From the Elements list, select Contact Form. Durable will place a form on your page automatically. You can leave it where it lands for now, or adjust its placement later once you've customized it. Before we style anything, let's make the form frictionless. Click on the form to select it. Then, in the right panel, open the Fields section. Keep only the essentials: name, email, and message. Removing extra fields helps reduce drop-off and improves conversion rates. If you like, tweak the placeholders so they're clear, and make sure email is required so you can reply reliably. By the way, because Durable is a web-based tool, I've placed the official link at the top of the description. If you need to open Durable in a new tab and follow along, it's right there for you. Next, edit the form content so it matches your brand voice. In the right panel, update the headline and description. For example, you might use a title like "Contact our team today," and a simple description such as "Reach out to our team, we're here to help." Keep it friendly and straightforward. Clear language encourages more people to submit. Let's set the confirmation that visitors see after they hit send. In the right panel, scroll to Form Success Message and change it to "Message sent, we'll get in touch with you shortly." This reassures people their message went through and sets expectations for a response. When everything looks good, save your changes and make them live. Click Done, then click Publish in the top right corner. After publishing, take a quick look on both desktop and mobile to ensure the form is readable and easy to use. That's it. You've added a clean, effective contact form in Durable AI. If this helped, be sure to check the link at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.